Think you know how to use your titanium pan? Most people don't, and that means they're missing out on everything titanium can do. Today we'll show you how to cook and clean your titanium pan so you can enjoy safer and healthier meals for decades. Did you know that titanium is the only material that never leaches toxins, never corrodes, and actually helps your food retain more nutrients? Here's the secret though. The way you use and care for it determines how long your pan will last in your kitchen, how healthy and safe your meals turn out every day, and how effortless cooking and cleaning can actually feel. So, how do you properly cook in titanium pans? Let's break it down step by step. Number 1, preheat the right way. Skip the high heat when preheating your pan. Titanium heats up fast and evenly, so medium to low heat is all you ever really need. Just give your pan a minute or two to warm up. You're good to go. To check if it's ready, try the water drop method. Flick a drop of water on the surface, and if it dances or sizzles, your pan is perfectly preheated. Number 2, use less oil. Forget about using tons of oil to prevent sticking. With titanium pans, that's a thing of the past. Their non-stick surface means food slides right off, so just a light brush or spray across the pan is enough for eggs, veggies, or pancakes. You'll get healthier meals without the mess. Number 3, know the right cooking technique. Titanium is the most heat-efficient surface, spreading heat 3 times more evenly than other materials. So medium heat on titanium really gives the same results as high heat on other pans. That means preventing overcooking, retaining more nutrients, and saving energy. Here are a few cooking tips to make the most of it. Sear meats over medium-high heat for even browning. Stir-fry or saute with ease thanks to titanium's lightweight design. Cook delicate foods like fish or eggs over low to medium heat. And finish dishes in the oven for perfect results without switching pans. Low heat or high heat, titanium pans can handle it all without warping, sticking, or destroying the nutrients in your food. Number 4, pick the right utensils. That's right, utensils matter. To keep your titanium pan in top shape, go with titanium utensils for the best results. They're gentle, durable, and they help your pan stay looking and performing like new for years. Number 5, clean it and take care of it properly. Titanium is naturally corrosion resistant, non-porous, and antibacterial, so nothing sticks or seeps in. After cooking, let your pan cool, then splash it with mild soap and a soft sponge. It's really easy to clean. No scrubbing or elbow grease needed. You can even use the dishwasher, but hand washing is probably the best for keeping it performing like new even longer. And if you notice some color changes from heat, don't worry. It's purely cosmetic and doesn't affect performance, safety, or durability. And unlike traditional pans that chip, warp, or lose their coating in just a few years, a titanium pan can perform at its best for decades. Use it right, clean it properly, and it'll keep delivering healthy and tasty meals while saving you money and reducing waste. But which titanium pan exactly can give you decades of healthy, hassle-free cooking? The Taima Pure Titanium Pan, the only certified pure titanium pan in the world. That means it has a completely non-reactive, non-toxic surface, handles oven, open flame, or high heat stovetops with ease, lets you cook at lower temperatures while keeping nutrients intact, and features a non-toxic slip-scale surface that doesn't stick. It's extremely lightweight, yet incredibly durable, and it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Head over to taimatitanium.com to get your pure titanium pan. Have you tried cooking with titanium before? Share your experience in the comments below, and like and subscribe for more kitchen tips and cookware hacks.